And welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to recover overwritten Google Sheet data. That is basically the version history hack. So let's get started with the video. So if you have overwritten data or if you want to restore the old version data, how you can do that is, I have a Google Sheet over here. Here you need to go to the file at upper left corner. Here you will see an option of version history. Post that you need to select see version history. Here you will see all the edits that's been saved, all the edits that's been made over here. What you need to do is, here you can click on name version, all version. Post that what you need to do, if you want to restore the particular one, you have to select that, and here you will get an option of restore this version. You just need to click on restore this version. A pop-up will appear here. And here you can see the time as well, which is mentioned when the changes were made. If you want to revert it back this version, you can click on restore. So once you click on restore, you can see here that it's been saved. So basically this is how you can recover overwritten Google Sheet data. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.